gonna be a real supporter and pull up. Y'all do that for people, you feel me? Like, y'all make sure that you're there to make sure that person is doing what they're doing. This is something new to me, you know? So the fact that I'm really changing up and really coming up to being a woman and coming out and really, you know, identifying when I fucked up in life, I feel like as adults, we all should do that. You feel me? And I have a next generation coming up now, so I gotta be their mentor. You know what I'm saying? So that's all I really try to do. My music is a little different. I do a lot of different stuff. So first thing I'll get on to is my first song. It's called The Father I Never Knew. I heard tomorrow's Father's Day. I really don't give a fuck, but you know, and I was locked up. I was thinking about my father, and I wrote a long ass song or a poem. It turned into a track. It's my first track, my first beat that I ever made, first hook, everything. So got that when you ready. To the father that I never know. Shout out to Mizzo though. My mentor though. To the father that I never knew. Listen. A little girl lost so sad from the lack and the love and the loss from my daddy dad. Cause he missed out on the lot and my parents left me and my mom lost and stuck his hand to the fuck. It's crazy how I barely do you. You can never understand all the crazy shit I've been through. And I ain't really been through hell and back. And I was crazy how you was never here for that. You missed 23 birthdays. Never was here to dry your tear up on my worst days. How can you not take responsibility for fucking up my mentality? That shit is crazy. The first time I met you at your funeral, you left me on heart, left me long, left me so confused. But I ain't even really mad at you, I'm making it, I'm pushing through my father that I never knew. It's crazy that I miss you. You're the father that I never really even knew. But I made it without you. I graduated high school, I did all this without you. Rest in peace and I love you. Cause I'ma really go so far. I graduated high school, you did you, I'm doing me. And you're the father that I never knew. Rest in peace, David, though. Cause you're the father that I never knew. Cause you're the father that I never knew. And I thank you, I love you. Cause I'ma really go so far. I graduated high school, you did me, I did you. Cause you're the father that I never knew. Little girl, oh so sad. This is the second time I've ever been here without my dad. Cause you left me up. Yo, I'm fucking emotional trying to hit this song. You never even want to claim me. What the fuck is wrong with you? Man, I'm beautiful, I look like you. You ain't even really wanna even raise me. It's crazy as it seems, my mother raised me to be the best that I'ma be. I'ma always go hard and I'ma be successful. Had to do this song so hard and this song for you, I thank you. And even though you never here, I'ma make it through. I graduated high school, did me, you did you. You're the father that I never knew. That's the things you did me, you did you, I do me. Cause you're the father that I never knew. It's crazy how I miss you. In my heart, you're the father that I never knew. But now I'm making it, I'm living on my lifestyle. I'm making it and pushing through. And now I thank you, I love you. I'ma really go so far. I graduated high school, you did you, I'm doing me. You're the father that I never knew. Yo, I want to split this track. I can't ever do this track without making fucked up mistakes and shit, but that was something like, that was my first track I ever did. So I hope y'all enjoyed that.